Alright, we are back with Watch Dogs. It's like 9 a.m. I just woke up, so. But, alright, let's jump back into it. Last time we left off, it was, oh man. Oh, okay, last time we left off, we were just going to prison.
Freeze! Stop the gun! Get on the floor, now! Hand behind your head! Do it!
My eye itches. Cause I'm locked up, they won't let me out. Alright. They both have hidden cameras. Neighborhood watch coordinator. What was the other one? Precinct bereavement leave. Teaches judo. You actually think there would be more cameras up on the, in this place. It's a prison. Ah, damn it, I should have stuck with that guy. Go ahead and turn around. Pause. All right.
Jordy, I'm inside.
Obviously.
Cut the shit. I should have sent you in here. This was your mistake.
You might want to keep it down. You'll end up with a free trip to solitary. I can't get you out.
I'm gonna find the inmate schedule. I'll be in touch.
Okay. All right. I'm in.
Jordy, I found the schedule. Where's the exercise yard?
Up top.
Make sure the weasel gets elected. So all aboard the Rushmore train. Choo-choo. Fuck. Just listen to this asshat.
Now, if I see orange moving and I'm in a prison and I'm a guard, I'm reacting. I don't care if I wasn't able to completely tell if it was a person or not. I saw orange moving. Wait, how is he even kinda seeing me?
If I remember right, this guy had his own Picasso ink all over his face. Ugly as shit.
Damn.
Makes him an easy mark.
Don't worry.
Somewhere.
I remember. Nah, I'm gonna look at everyone. Former reality star. Drug trafficking. Wrestling champ. Peterology. I don't know what that is. Planted bomb in elementary school. That's crazy. Prior arrest in Brazil. Suspected serial killer. Filed rape charges. I can't see the one next to him. Arrested in Mexico. Guilty to murder. transported to mental asylum. Former nightclub bouncer, gymnophobic, extradited from Canada, working on a pill case related to prison guard, linked to Mexican drug cartels, rights to pen pal in Wisconsin,
Change your
count
plan.
mandated therapy
Our prisoner
sessions.
transfer was a bust. So your plan B. What do you need us to do? Whatever it takes to get this guy talking. You got it.
Member of smuggling ring, recently born again, set former boss on fire, showing improvements in therapy, experimented with cannibalism, collect spores, molds, and fungus. You don't want to know how that will turn out. Gifted piano player, self-proclaimed necrophilic. Last visitor 1 year ago. That's tough, buddy. Lactose intolerant, buried victims beneath his house. Okay, I can't really see how far the other one. Allergic to chocolate. Parole denied. Case reopened due to evidence tampering. Member of contraband smuggling ring. Failed escape attempt. 3rd-degree black belt. Attempted suicide. Juvenile criminal record sealed. Seeking gender reassignment. Diagnosed with sleep apnea. Alright. Boom.
Now, how to get you off the roof.
Victim of abuse.
Who says I have to be moved? Who are you guys? What about my lawyer? Where are we going? Answer me! Show me the paperwork! Where's my lawyer?
We're taking you to your
No!
lawyer.
No way!
Right after we clean you
What are you
up
gonna do?
first.
I ain't going with a bunch
Shut
of crooked...
the fuck up!
Damn, better reach him fast before they kill him. That's a problem. Some guards just took our guy.
Fuck. Basement. They're in the basement.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to move. I gotta get back to old boy's camera. I'm gone. Power of cell phones.
Seems like there's quite the little crooked operation being run out of this joint. Look at you bringing justice back to the prison system.
Justice.
Empty. Door's wide open.
No silent alarms have gone off. Watch your back.
What's a couple of bottom feeders doing at the stadium? Doing a deal without cutting us in? Think we don't have friends in high places? They expect a cut too.
No! I told you already. It wasn't a deal. We got called, man.
Fuck that, prick. Stop lying. Think we won't leave you for dead too.
Just right there. Appreciate it.
And your buddy? What happened to him? Where's he now? You don't have a chance!
Oh, damn.
Watch your back!
I didn't even get a chance to stealth.
Come on, give yourself up! Come on out! Move! Get out! Officer down! Move it on the side! Push him back! You're making this worse on yourself! Keep closing in! Shut him off! I need backup! Officer's been keep closing in! Shut him off!
This wasn't part of it.
You're open! Stay down! He's hit!
Got him.
I'm coming for you! Messed up. You're on the line of fire! No, don't! Please!
Should have stayed down.
Yeah, that's right. Keep dodging. I'll be right there.
Incoming fire!
Go on, finish it.
Wipe him out! Take this guy out!
Fuck me. You killed them all.
Shut him down! Help him!
Now I'm really gonna hurt you.
I didn't sign up for this shit! Get back in cover! Where is he?
Got him. There I am.
Look out!
Hit that boy with a couple.
Help! Somebody!
Did you not hear all the gunshots, bro?
Inside. How'd you get inside, man?
You know, it was pretty simple. These high-tech security prisons, they make it quite easy, really. We met?
What?
Come on, bro.
No. No, I never seen you, man.
Thought not.
Yeah, I didn't think so. So you're in here for 60 days. In good behavior, you're out in 30. What does that say?
60 years?
Dang.
What are you doing, man?
I'm just showing you an alternate future. You know, in case you get the urge to share your stories or make a deal with the cops. We're clear, right?
All units, possible prison escape. Be on the lookout for white male Joe Smith.
I need a unit up to the laundry. We've lost communication.
Remember that one guard being like, wait, I could have sworn I typed it in Aiden Pierce. We got someone looking into that?
It's done.
Fantastic. I'm guessing you're eager to get out of there? There's a care package on its way for you.
Where?
Don't worry, you'll see it.
Appreciate it. The bat suit.
All units be advised. Suspect has been located. Officers requesting backup.
Well, people, did you vote for Rushmore? If you did, I'm sorry. That was me. This is some heavy.
No, we're gonna just skip that.
Here's the four
Stop! We will shoot you!
We're gonna explain.
We're gonna clip him.
I'm so sorry if I landed on a human being right there. I don't think I did, but I could have.
This is the police. All over now.
High-powered patrol units been dispatched after the suspect.
We've lost sight of the suspect. Attempting to reestablish.
Bro. Alright, whatever. They won't know the difference. Easy peasy, bro. Just act like you're asleep. Trying to. That helicopter saw me come into here. You think they would have this place surrounded? Elbozos.
Squad, that suspect is gone. We're calling it.
That plan actually worked. My identity's safe. Now, Lena's attackers. I want the one responsible. Damien bragged about a second hacker. Someone else inside the Merlot. I need to find out what Damien knows.
Alright, well, before we do that... Oops, wrong button. Wrong button. Whatever, I could just click that. Okay. 3 skill points. Okay. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? 2. All right. So, game, where's my objective? Thank you.
Aiden, we had a very unpleasant meeting.
Well, I didn't kill you.
We used to get along. I taught you so much. Look at you, big-time hacker now. Is that you in the news? The vigilante?
You mentioned a second hacker at the Merlot job. But we already knew there was another hacker. You found something new.
Ah, intriguing, isn't it? Come, let's meet and I'll explain.
Tell me.
Vengeance is on the way.
Oh, no. My information, my rules. Besides, we need to make up for last time. I'm very excited, Aiden. Come soon.
Justice.
I need to make this quick. Damien's pride is his weak spot. Just play it up. Convince him to say what he knows. Then drop him. He's too reckless. He's too dangerous.
Bro got out of prison. He fresh back on the case.
Where are you?
I don't think you're gonna like my answer.
You know what? Forget it. I don't need whatever you got. You brought me nothing but trouble. We're done talking.
Oh, too late, Aiden. You won't believe where I am. Never mind, I'll send you the feed. Find a TV and have a look.
That's Nikki's house. What are you doing?
You should hurry, my boy. Your pretty sister needs you.
Damien!
Nah, this man is wild. And that's how you get packed up, bro. Going up into someone's sister's house and then putting it on video for them to see. You walking around and sister ain't even know you there. Nah, bro. That's how you get put in the pack, my boy. Justice. Oh no! Alright, hit the gas. Damn slow car. Whoop. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, he died? How did he die from that? That was such a light hit.
He played me. That son of a bitch played me and I let him.
Ah.
What's he doing, Nikki's? No, he won't hurt them. I'll kill him if he touches them. No, he has to know that. No, he's trying to draw me there. He wants me to work with him. By the guys who attacked us? Fuck that. I need to take him down.
6 years old. It's tragic.
Where are they?
Such a waste. All of this, it's such a waste. You know, the real tragedy here is that somebody like you was surrounded by so many fragile things. It makes you fragile.
Beat that cripple.
That's not how it works. You don't want to answer that.
Yeah. Nikki, where are you? Nikki!
Oh no, I would have packed him up right there. I wouldn't even have that out. I would have had the gun out.
You fuck around and she's dead.
Bro, you're a hacker. Kill them and hack where they're at.
This isn't how I wanted it. But this is where we are. But listen to me. Things would be different.
Just tell me where they are.
Where they are? There's only Nikki. That little boy. I don't know where he is. Now this is what's gonna happen. I went to a hard drive. I told you there was another hacker. That will lead you to his computer. Get it? And you'll find out who ordered the hit on us.
What do you really want?
You lost your right to question me. I want that hard drive. That's all you need to know. And that's the price for Nikki. Stop overthinking, Aiden. I'll need regular updates. In exchange, you get to talk to Sis. Quid pro and all that.
This won't end well for you.
Perhaps, but don't get clever. I really have no problem killing that girl. We'll talk soon, partner.
Alright. Time to hack off.
Where is Jax? Damien doesn't have him. I hope he's got his tablet. There. He's on the L. Oh shit, someone's after him.
Alright, well, found out that this driveway is not Nikki's because that's clearly not her car. So I'm stealing the neighbor's car. Don't worry, it's for justice.
Nikki. Damn it. He's got Nikki.
God damn, bro. It's all sliding everywhere. You would think it's raining out here, bro.
I can't reach him in time. Alright, hack the train. Get Jackson moving and away from these guys.
Bro, this is your stop, bro. Get up. I know I'm about to move the train, but he not even moving.
Check every car. Kid's here somewhere.
Alright, that's bought me time. Make the next station. Hold on, kiddo.
Train's leaving. Shit. All right, get to the next station. Go. Go.
Mess with the wrong family. Damn it. Got him.
Ran him off the road. He's on foot.
You're a dead man walking. Damn! I was about to hit him with my car.
Watch your back, he's around.
Ooh.
Jax,
Yo, bro, you missed your stop by like a long shot, my boy.
you're safe now. Alright? You're safe. Okay, listen. This is important. Back at the house, did you hear those men say anything? Come on, Jax, talk to me.
I don't talk.
Alright.
He says and then never speaks in the game again.
Mom.
Dr. Mendez speaking?
Yolanda, hi. This is Aiden Pierce, Nikki's brother.
Is everything all right?
It'd be great if we could meet in person. I'm on the train with Jax.
All right. Do you know where Nikki drops him off?
Yeah, we'll meet you there. I need you to be brave for me, okay?
Race sign. Oh, I remember this part.
Jax. It's good.
I remember where she is. And I'm gonna go get her with the power of justice.
Hey! Hello, sweetheart. What's going on, Mr. Pierce? Where's Nikki?
Nah, it's been a rough week. She's forced herself to get rid of Lena's stuff, and I think she's finally saying her goodbyes.
How bad is it?
It's bad.
She should call me.
Well, she wanted me to call you. See, we're wondering if you could look after Jax for a few days.
She a
We'll pay you, of
therapist, not a
course.
babysitter. What?
Of course. I'll help in any way I can.
I guess she's a bag chaser for real. Getting paid for the
Nikki
therapy
needs to-
sessions and now to take
I
care
know
of
it's
him.
hard, but it's a good thing.
It's been rough. We're gonna work it out. Right?
Hey, little man. We're gonna cause some trouble.
Not as much as me.
Let's go.
See you soon.
Go.
Southbound train arriving shortly.
Justice. Mask up. Bro, climb. Please don't be able to see me from here. Okay, cool. All right. Gotta start marking these boys. Boom. Boom. Ah, come on. Oop.
Hey, time to upgrade. I also run on 2 AAA batteries, if you get my drift.
Okay, well now I need to get back out. think that's everyone. I think that's it. Okay, let's start with the sniper. Okay, how about this, right? Oh, I thought I would die.
Watch him.
Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Well, I meant to do it, but I wasn't thinking. They don't know where I am, though. They think I'm hiding in the shadows. But I am the shadows. Ah, goddamn.
You're covered.
Here, cover it.
Target location verified. Continuing to fire.
Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Whoa. I fumbled the sneak.
Set up. Where are you going? We were just getting started. Engaging target.
Awesome.
I don't see anything. Whoa! Our time. He's gone.
Nothing over here. Moving on. Stay on your guard.
You know, bullets are really just like batarangs that kill you. You know what I mean? So I'm still very much so Batman. Well, I'm the Fox, but not yet, I guess. Because they keep calling him the Vigilante. That was close.
That doesn't look right.
Really?
Are you fucking kidding me? Whoever told you these things is gonna have
Oh, still got him.
We have to look for him. Go over there. Watch yourself. Search over there.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You serious? Okay.
Any backup on our car?
Oh, damn.
Got it. We're on insane?
Okay, let's not do that right now.
Continue to engage.
I see you good.
I can do this all day, Steve. Pour it on. One good shot. I know. Taking hits here. Watch out, I'll cover you. Shit.
Justice prevails. All right. Alright, from here. What do we got? What are we looking at? What do we got? Okay.
Fuck. Hey, you! Stop running!
I'm sorry, what? Why was that art school student writing down my name?
This looks like balloon surveillance. Are they actually monitoring?
Wait, why was that art student writing down Aiden Pierce? Does he know, like, the vigilante's identity? Or... Bro, you not gonna react to that, Aiden?
In a romantic comedy, the elevator would break down and we'd fall in love.
In a porn, we fuck like gorillas. If the elevator broke down, obviously. Come on, up top. No? Alright.
Wow, real smooth. I'm still wondering why that guy was writing down Aiden Pierce. Okay. Got one more. What am I looking at? Trash. Wait, it's on like the lid of the trash can? That's weird. Back online. All right, let's get out of here.
All right,
got a sister to rescue.
Racine. Let's find out what you know about Nikki. Someone here was hired by Damien. Start with the owner, Robert Racine. Just work your way down. Stay cool, just keep your head.
I'm just saying, if I was here and there was some guy in a coat standing next to, like, well, maybe he can't see me through the fence. I don't know. Maybe he has bad eyes. Mark him. Thank you. But I'm just saying, I'd be a little suspicious. Bro, my niece is dead.
Bastards crippled me. They wanted to scare me away. Make me flee to Bermuda and start over. What could be so fucking precious? So secret and dangerous that they would cripple a man because he glanced at it. They haven't scared me. They've lit a fire under me.
Bro's complaining about his knee, his leg, and my niece is like in a body bag. Not even in a body bag, my fault, she's 6 feet under. Don't believe that there's any cameras there. It's all good. Yo, El Peripheral. Bruh, come on now.
Nothing. The computer. I can hack the cameras through the computer.
Hired bankruptcy lawyer.
Nice to meet you.
Are you double-crossing me? I got you the Pierce woman. The woman, yes. I told you not to go for the kid. Did you think I'd actually pay you more? Now you've complicated things. Who's this guy after me? Did you send him? I didn't send him, but I probably should have warned you about Aiden. You gotta help me, or I'll tell him everything I know. That's exactly why you don't know anything. He's not gonna be happy when he finds that out. Fuck, man, what do I do? Whatever you can. Good luck.
Good luck.
You son of a bitch. You're not getting away from me.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Yeah, okay. I was about to say, I could have sworn something happens when you come out. That's what it was. Rip. I was like, I could have sworn something happens when you come out. You just start getting like shot up or something. Ah, my ankles. Ooh, you out here making it through, okay. Ah, damn it.
You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, alright? You got it. Gonna run him off the road.
Yay.
I'll run this guy off the road.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Neutral. Okay, well, there's no cars. Damn it.
Gotta be close by.
I know I could get out and shoot him, but... Okay, we can't go through that. Damn it, he's getting away.
Let's force him out.
Damn it. Oh, wow. I wasn't trying to kill him.
With me, Aiden. Wasn't I clear?
You stay away from Jackson.
Yeah, about that. One of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar. But you go off the rails again.
Put my sister on the phone.
Listen to you. You think you have any control here? You get to talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.
Alright, and that's going to be it for this episode of Watch Dogs. And, things are, starting to pick up in terms of story. There's like a certain part that I feel like kind of drops, but I don't think we've reached it yet. Or maybe there isn't no part that drops, because the beginning is fine, like, all that's cool, and I like that, and this has been fine so far. This is all stuff that I enjoy. Matter of fact, and, like, the fact that I'm thinking of what's coming next is, like, it still just stays consistent, so I can't think of any part where it drops, but I don't know why I could have sworn that there's, like, a part where it kind of dips for a little bit, which is in, like, a lot of games, you know, dips for a little bit, and then it brings you back in, but, yeah, alright.